guys, welcome back to my little pink casa. So today we are going to be painting a room, and I'm going to be helping my mom paint. She's been wanting to do this for a few years and we're finally doing it. We decluttered it a few weeks ago and now we've been waiting for a good time to paint the room. I haven't painted in a really long time, and Hadara is here, my daughter, with me, so we're gonna help and go do that. And so I'm excited. We got the paint picked out yesterday and we got all the supplies. I'm excited to see what the room is gonna look like after we're done. We're gonna be creating a homeschool / playroom. So I'm excited to see how it all turns out, and I thought it would be fun to share a little bit of how we are doing a before and after. And now for the big reveal. Here is the Charlotte Mason style homeschool room. We really love how it turned out. We kept the colors with neutrals and grays and beiges and lots of white. As you can see, we wanted it to be a bright room. And after decluttering the closet, we decided to keep the doors off the closet open to add more space to the room. And our favorite part of the room is this cozy reading nook that we created just for the kids, and they absolutely love this. This is their favorite part of the room. So thank you for joining me for my video today. If you would like to get more details on how I organized the room or where I bought everything or another homeschool room tour video, let me know and I will be happy to do that for you. And I look forward to seeing you again in my next video.